First look of LG G7. Popular leaker Onleaks in collaboration with the Mr. Phone have provided 3D renders of the upcoming LG flagship. Actually, it is not much different from the prototype seen at MWC. The LG G7 sports a full vision display with a notch at the top. It is still surprising that a manufacturer as big as LG will join the notch trend. However, the video from MWC shows that the phone has an option to blacken out the area around the notch, so it appears as if it doesn't have one. There is still a bit of bezel at the bottom even with the new design. There are other big changes coming to the LG G series. First, the rear cameras are now arranged vertically. They share the same housing, and flanking them on the left is the LED flash and laser focus module. There is also a fingerprint scanner beneath the setup. The second big change is the hardware buttons. The LG G6 has its power button buried under the fingerprint scanner, so to turn it on, you have to push it down for a few seconds. For the G7, the button is now on the right side, but the left side still has 3 buttons. If 2 of those buttons are the volume rocker, what then is the third button? Reports say this is a dedicated button for activating the smart assistant. Sounds familiar? Yup, reminds us of Samsung's Bixby button. The LG G7 has a SIM tray at the top along with a secondary microphone, while a 3.5mm audio jack USB-C port and a speaker grill sit at the bottom. The LG G7 will launch with a Snapdragon 845 processor, 4GB or 6GB of RAM, 64GB and 128GB of storage, and measure 153.2 by 71.9 by 8.5mm. Other details included in the ET News article are in line with older reports. The phone will have an MLCD Plus display, a type of display that should use up to 35% less power than regular LCD. The G7 has been rumored to be unveiled in June. If that's to be trusted, we can expect a new LG flagship in around 2 months. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates in future, and also like and share this video.